Today we're going to use 3D printing to clean up this mess. This is a spool of barcodes that I just printed on my thermal label printer, and they're going to get stuck onto these boxes based on whatever color of clips are going into these boxes. So kitting is the process of putting all your individual stuff into a box and closing it up. So I hired someone to do the kitting, and they've also agreed to stick on these labels onto the boxes depending on what color clips are going into the boxes. These are RX clips. They allow you to easily see your meds. So why are we spending time sticking barcodes onto barcodes? The answer is because we only made RX clips in yellow to start, but people wanted different colors. So instead of ordering new boxes, we can simply change out the barcode. The idea is this: we need to be able to spool up all these back onto this roll because, oh shit. For one, we're sending this off to be kitted, so we're not just gonna give them a pile of loose labels. I guess we could do that. I don't like that. We're gonna use calipers to measure the inside diameter of this spool. Then we're gonna make a crisscross that has that same diameter. And then we're gonna, on the end of that crisscross, make a little attachment that goes into the drill. Also, so you don't think I'm crazy, this is 500 labels. We're gonna be doing this for 5,000 labels. So here's all we had to draw. We had to draw a rectangle this way, 0.1 inches by 1 inch. Same thing this way, a circle, and then a hexagon. This profile is gonna be extruded down about almost an inch. And then this hexagon will get extruded also almost an inch. And so when you're 3D printing anything and it's got to fit something else, you want to do a test print. So I basically got rid of a lot of the material on both sides of this part. That way we could print this faster and test the fit and functionality before we commit to a longer print time of the full part. All right, so we got a little hexagon chuck. Goes in here. Oh, for the main event. All right, here we go. I'm gonna get a paper cut real bad. And just like that, we've got a whole roll of barcodes.